Hey everyone, hope you're having a great week so far. I'm going to make a short video about our spring athletics fundraiser that is starting today, and it will run through April 6th. So it's a 2-week fundraiser, and I'm going to explain to those who weren't able to make our meeting, the students after school today. I'm going to explain how to set up your fundraising page and how we're going to send it out. All right, so real quick, I do want to say this. Students, remember that these fundraisers that we do, these are for you guys. Everything that we get from any fundraiser that we do is going to go towards helping you guys in your experience at Arbor Also, before we get started, just explaining what it's for. There's 4 things that we're raising money for this spring, and that is our sports ministry that's going to start in the fall. Really excited about that. Can't wait to share some more details. Equipment upgrades, so we will be able to better prepare our students to become better athletes. Number 3 is for gym upgrades. We've got a lot of different ideas for our gym, and of course that takes some money to do. And then also raising money for our summer camps this upcoming summer. So it's an all-around fundraiser. We're going to use this money to enhance our students and their experience here at Arbor as being athletes. So I'll go ahead and get started on how we're going to set up your profile as a student. And then we'll go over how we're going to send this out to people that we know, and then of course you can email me or see me at school with any questions. Alright, so you're going to go to flexfundraising.com, FLEX fundraising.com, and when you get there, that's the page that you're going to see. And then when you see that, you're going to click this button up here that's got the 3 bars, and then you're going to hit log in. And then it'll take you to this page. You're going to log in as a player. And then once you get there, you're going to see at the bottom it says sign up. It has a login page. Of course, you don't have a login yet, so you're going to sign up. And then you're going to just take 15 seconds, put your name, your first name, your last name, your email, use your Arbor email, or you can use another one if you want, and then a password. And then as soon as you do that, you're going to hit the green button at the bottom that says sign up. Then it will take you to a page, and since I'm already logged in, it's not letting me do it, but you're going to go to a page that says find your team. And if you just scroll up just a little bit or scroll down, you'll see Arbor Christian Academy, and then you'll click it. You'll see it highlighted in blue. You'll hit next, and then you're going to go to a page that it says set up your profile picture. This is optional. I would encourage you to do it, just so when you send the link out and people click your link, they see your profile. They'll see a picture of you, just so they know that it's you, and it makes it a little more personal. But either way, once you do that, you'll hit Save Changes, and then your setup is done. So then you're going to see a page that looks like this. This is your profile page. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a green button that says Update Share Message. You'll see a QR code, some icons. Then if you scroll down more, you'll see your personal goal, which will be $200, and then the overall progress of the fundraiser. And then you'll see a list of your donors, and then you'll see the leaderboard, the overall leaderboard of who has raised the most money. So scroll back up, and what you're going to do is you're going to hit the big green button that says Update Share Message. Now, you'll see when you click that, it has a message written out already. But what you want to do is you want to make it more personable to the person that you're sending it to. So you're going to say, hello, whoever their name is, and then you can keep that base message that's already on there. You can change it a little bit if you need to, but then you'll hit Save Changes once you do that. Also notice that there's one box for text message, and this box is for emails. So if you want to change them up based on which one is, a text message or an email, you're more than welcome to. Hit Save Changes, and then we're going to use these two. We're going to use the SMS, the green icon, and then the email icon. And then if you're with somebody in person and they want to use a QR code, they can do that as well, and it'll take them straight to your page. So hit the email, or I'll hit the email just to show you. So you hit the email icon, it'll tell you or ask you which one you want to use. And then as you see, your message is already on there. You just type in the email address and you're good to go. And so you see the link to your page is right there. Same thing with text message. You'll hit the SMS button. It'll take you to your text messages. There's your message, and you'll just send it to whoever you're sending it to. Again, at the very least, say, hello, whoever you're sending it to. That way it makes it more personal. And of course, you can change it up, the wording a little bit if you need to. So that's how we're going to get it out. Think of grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, any kind of family friends, maybe business owners, people at church that you may think will want to help out. Again, if you're in person, you can explain to them what it's for, and remember, as a student, this is going to you. All of the money that we raise, it's going to go to you guys, and you're going to benefit from it in some way. Also, before I forget, not only can someone donate, but they can also buy some athletic gear. We have sweatshirts, short sleeve shirts, and long sleeve shirts in girls and boys sizes. So what they'll do, this is one of our players, their page. You'll see their goal. You can donate cash right there, but if they scroll down, they'll see a donate cash option, and they'll see athletic apparel option. And if they click that, they're going to see some different options that they can buy. Some Arbor Athletics gear has our logo on it, and a portion of this will go to our fundraiser as well. So pretty cool. Just a different way to donate. Not just with donating cash, but you can buy some gear as well. Also, the highest donor, so whoever donates the most money, they will get a free pass to all of our athletic events in the gym. So volleyball and basketball, you'll get a special pass, a season pass. And then the second highest donor, they're going to get a free t-shirt, as well as a book bag, like an athletic type book bag with our logo on it. So again, if you've got any questions about how to set it up, how it works, please reach out to me. Parents, same thing. If you've got any questions, please reach out to me. And thank you so much to those who are going to support us in this fundraiser. Remember as well, please send them a thank you. Whoever donates to your page, please give them a thank you because they're using their hard-earned money to help our athletics program. So just keep that in mind as well, as you have donors that donate their money. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.